Am I the only one who thinks their stomach is secretly a growling monster? Let's dive in. So why does your stomach growl when you're hungry? It's called borborygmi. Fancy, right? Basically, it's your digestive system sending a running low on fuel signal. Your brain sends a message to your stomach and intestines to start contracting. It's like they're having a little dance party, moving food and gas around. And guess what? That growling noise happens whether there's food in there or not. But it's louder when you're hungry because, well, there's less to muffle the sound. So next time your stomach grumbles in a meeting, just remember, it's your body's way of saying, feed me. Pretty cool, huh? Now you can impress everyone with your new word, borborygmi. Try saying that 3 times fast. See you next time.